So Stagecraft is a pretty hands-on course. It does count as an art credit, which is nice if you want the art credit, but I will say Stagecraft is one of those art classes where you're more than just like sitting there with a pencil and paper. You're actually building things, getting very hands-on with the tools in the workshop, chop saws, screw guns, table saws, and you get to build some pretty cool things like the sets for the high school play. So today we're building Big Bertha, which is behind me, and Big Bertha is gonna be a storage unit pretty much above the CNC machine we have over there, and it's gonna house a lot of like miscellaneous goods that we have, like the air compressor, some table saws, some chop saws, so that we can expand the amount of space that we have in the workshop, and then we can ultimately build bigger and better plays for the high school community.
I'm just hyped, bro. We're getting it done.
Personally, I really just wanted to like get really hands-on and really experience what it was like to work with wood and really learn different, how to use different tools. And I think it's been like really helpful for me to try and like find something that maybe I want to do in the future, or maybe just a cool hobby that I could pick up and save for later.